tastes so good. Come on. It's beautiful. Beautiful. After 3 days in the sun, look at that. Oh my goodness me. They're ready to be prepared. Wow. Oh my goodness me, look at that. I blanched in just a little bit of water and vinegar. They're all dried up and nicely. I put them out to dry up, and now I'm put a little bit of oregano on it. I close it, just put it on olive oil, just olive oil, not the extra virgin olive oil. Let it squeeze in a little bit. When I put them in oil, I let it rest my tomato for at least 3 days. You can see they become lovely, soft, beautiful. Let's do enough panino. So I got this lovely crispy bread, which you cannot help. I cut it already a bit. Oh, look at this. This is unbelievable. This is so beautiful. Now I will use a little bit of this olive oil. Beautiful. Got lovely mozzarella. It's ordinary mozzarella. Just put them inside. Oh my goodness me. Now we start to put this beautiful sun-dried tomato inside. It's, all this way. Yes, every way. Lovely fresh basil. Dry oregano, which goes everywhere. Again, a little bit more of this beautiful aromatic olive oil. Put them on the side. Close it. Look at this oil all coming out. Fantastico. Buon appetito. So easy. So simple, but you have to dry the tomato. So when you get strong sun, 3 days, the tomato in the sun, a bit of salt on top, dry out, fantastic. It will keep at least a year. Buon appetito and arrivederci. Oh my.